Guys, what is up? It's Ashley Cat, and if you are someone like me who had a dream of learning how to drive stick shift, I believe that this video found you for a reason. I dreamed of driving stick ever since I was a kid, and I accomplished it when I got into my 30s. Over 2 years ago, I traded in my automatic Honda Civic for a 2017 Subaru STI. I taught myself how to drive stick, and it's been one of the biggest accomplishments of my life. Now I'm back to the Honda gang. I am driving my dream car, which is a manual transmission vehicle. It's a 2021 Honda Civic Type R, and I'm still gushing over it. So I want you to know that learning how to drive manual transmission is a journey. You may be thinking that you can't just walk into a dealership and get a manual transmission because you're afraid, but I'm letting you know, yes, you can. And I'm so glad you came across my page. Let's do some driving today and get you on the road to banging gears in a manual transmission. Let's go. As I promise you, if learning manual transmission is a dream of yours, you will not regret getting started on that journey. Whether you have a family member or friend who has a manual, who can let you mess around with it, or you are someone who's thinking of going to the dealer and getting a manual transmission vehicle or buying it, either way, I'm excited for you, and I definitely think you've made the right decision. Now, over the last couple years of making these videos, I've gotten so many messages from you guys who have started manual transmission, and I can't say I've heard from anyone yet saying that they wholeheartedly regret getting a manual transmission vehicle and learning how to drive stick shift. I know it's not a dream for everyone, guys, but it was my dream growing up as a kid. I just wanted to learn how to bang gears, and I always wanted a Honda Civic Type R.